Well, now coming up next is the best excavator brand 2021. Without this machine, it would be impossible to start any construction work at Sided Wall. I would like to invite once again Mr. Ankush Khanna, the Director for Commercial Brand Marketing, South Asia Pacific at ExxonMobil, to give away this award too.
I would like to announce the winner in the category of the Best Excavator Brand of the Year 2021. And the award goes to L&T India Limited. Congratulations to the L&T team.
The construction and mining machinery business of L&T is celebrating its Platinum Jubilee this year. And over the last many decades, we have been at the forefront of pioneering technological developments and innovation in the industry. In the 75th year of our business, I am extremely glad to learn that our flagship product in hydraulic excavators, the Komatsu PC210-10M0, has won the Best Excavator Award from Construction Week, which is a distinguished publication in this industry. This award, to me, is a proud testimony of Komatsu PC210-10's excellent quality and long-term reliability. The PC210-10 M0 has set a record for being the fastest growing model in the 22-ton class of machines. As partners of Komatsu in India, L&T reaffirms its commitment to customers through our customer-centric initiatives aimed at providing superior product support backed by digitalization. Also, my best wishes to Construction Week in all their endeavors.